Stop. English learners get this wrong every day, and it can even stop you talking about your future home. Let's fix it in seconds. We use the future simple for plans, hopes, and promises. It's easy. Will plus verb. So imagine your dream place. You say, I will buy a home one day, not I buy a home one day. That sounds strange. Say it with me. I will save money. I will find a good job. I will buy my own place. It's calm, clear, and confident, and people respect that. Mini drill. Repeat after me. I will succeed. I will get my home. We will live there together. See, your English already feels stronger. If you enjoyed this, click subscribe because tomorrow I'll teach you future continuous. And if you'd like one-to-one lessons with me, just write interested in the comments and I'll message you personally.